The advice billionaires give to their own children is the exact opposite of what you were taught in school. While most people are told to save for a rainy day and live within their means, the ultra-wealthy are playing a completely different game. They don't just have more money, they use a different set of financial physics. Today, we're stripping away the hustle culture myths to reveal the core principles that actually build billionaire wealth and how you can start applying them before you reach your first million. Most of us were raised with a scarcity mindset. We view money as a finite resource to be hoarded and protected. But for the world's most successful investors, money isn't a trophy to be kept in a vault, it's a worker. And if that worker isn't out there producing more workers, it's being wasted. To build real wealth, you have to stop looking at your bank balance and start looking at your asset column. The rich focus on the paycheck, the wealthy focus on the play. The first rule is simple. You don't get rich through a salary. A salary is a trade of your time for someone else's profit. Billionaires focus on owning assets, things that put money in your pocket while you sleep, like stocks, real estate, intellectual property, or businesses. While the middle class works to increase their income, the wealthy work to increase their equity. They don't want a bigger paycheck, they want a bigger piece of the pie. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you aren't building wealth, you're just managing a high-end treadmill. The second principle is leverage. Most people are terrified of debt, but billionaires use good debt as a superpower. They understand that if they can borrow money at a 5% interest rate and invest it at a 12% return, they've just created a wealth machine out of thin air. They leverage other people's money, other people's time, and other people's talent. They don't try to be the smartest person in the room, they try to be the person who owns the room. Wealth is about increasing the output of every hour you spend, not just adding more hours to your day. The third principle is the velocity of money. Average people let money sit in savings accounts, losing value to inflation every single year. A billionaire wants their capital moving. They take the profits from one asset and immediately plow them into the next. Stagnant money is dying money. By keeping their capital in constant motion, they compound their growth at a rate that savers can never catch. They aren't looking for a safe place to hide, they are looking for a productive place to grow. Finally, billionaires view risk differently. To the average person, losing $10,000 feels like a catastrophe. To a billionaire, it's the cost of tuition. They don't avoid risk, they manage it. They know that the biggest risk of all is playing it so safe that you never actually get ahead. They make many small bets, knowing that one massive win will wipe out all the small losses. They don't fear failure, they fear being stagnant. Billionaire wealth isn't about luck or secret stocks. It's about shifting your mindset from a consumer to an owner. It's realizing that money is meant to be deployed, not just displayed. You don't need $1 billion to start thinking like one. You just need to stop trading your time for a living and start building a system that lives for you. What is one asset you can start building or buying this month to stop trading your time for money? Share your plan in the comments. Naming it is the first step to making it real. If you're ready to stop following average financial advice and start building real wealth, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.